What's up, guys? I've got a 2010 Chevy here that my windows are not working properly all the time. Right now, most of them are intermittent, but as you can see, this one does seem to be working good today. The back one, I am pushing the switch down, and you can see it works every once in a while, but a lot of times, like right now, the button's down, and that window's not going down. If I click it a few times, it will go down. The right rear will not go up at all. And the right front won't go down at all. So we're going to fix it. So I went on eBay and bought a kit with all 4 window switches in it. Now it's common for the driver's side to wear out first because that's the one that gets used the most. As you can see, that's what it is. Real quick plug and play. I'm going to show you how to get this thing out of here. If you just stick your fingers in there, you can kind of just pull this thing back. It's got a clip at the bottom and at the top. Pops right off. I've got a 10mm here. There's a bolt in the top and in the bottom. Once you get that off, then you can just pry up on your switch with your fingers. It will pop out right like that. There's a spring clip in the front and a spring clip in the back. But as you can see, there's my switch sitting right there. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect power to this. And you can use the straight screwdriver to get behind here. I don't like to because a lot of times they're so fat and these plastic pieces are usually very brittle. So what I try to do is stick the O-ring pick in there and pop it up just a little bit, and then go back to the back side, do the same thing, and then I will flip it around and do the same thing on the opposite side. It should pop out just like that. No broken clips. Go back in, just drop it in the same way it came out, push till it clicks. Make sure all 4 are clipped in good and tight, and then just put your clips back on. It's that easy. I'm going to drop the front down in first.
Clip the back.
The rest of the doors only have a single switch for a single window, and they're all the same. So it doesn't matter which one you do. But we're going to do the same thing. Get our fingers under the back. Pop it up. Unplug our wiring. Take our O-ring pick. Pop that out. Being very gentle with these things so you don't crack one. Take your new one, set it right back in there, click it, plug your wiring back in. I always like to put the fronts down, click the back in. I'm just going to speed this up and run through it real quick since it's the exact same as the driver's side. And the fronts are identical as well, except for the single switch instead of the 4 switch. You probably don't even need to pull this all the way off. I'm going to pull the top off just to give me some extra room. But it just kind of curves over here, so as long as you get a little gap, these things will come right out. Make sure your wiring's all click. And that's it. Let's go see if it works. All 4 windows are down. I'll start with the right rear, the right front, the left rear, the left front, and we'll take them all down again. All at the same time, and all at the same time back up. As you can see, the new switches work great. Follow me for more. That's how you fix windows on an 08 to 13 Chevy pickup.